Hey everyone. Hope you're doing great today. Let's dive into something that could be a total game changer for your weight loss journey. I'm talking about Mitolyn, a supplement that's turning heads for its groundbreaking focus on mitochondrial support. But wait, what are mitochondria, anyway? If you're thinking, Mito-what now? Don't worry, I've got your back. Think of mitochondria as the tiny power plants inside your cells. They help convert fat into usable energy. So if they're not working at their best, neither is your fat-burning engine, and that's where Mitolyn steps in. Why does losing weight feel so exhausting? Let's be honest, most of us have felt like we're doing everything right and still not seeing results. Here's the secret nobody's telling you. If your mitochondria are sluggish or not functioning well, your body simply won't burn fat efficiently. It's not just about willpower, it's about biology. So, what exactly is Mitolyn? Mitolyn is a next-generation formula crafted to optimize your mitochondrial function, helping your body naturally become better at turning stored fat into fuel. Packed with 100% natural, organic, and plant-based ingredients, Mitolyn is built to boost your metabolism, energy levels, and overall vitality, all without any chemicals, stimulants, or unwanted side effects. Here's what Mitolyn can do for you. Enhances metabolism efficiency. Naturally activates your fat-burning systems. Boosts daily energy and endurance. Made from plant-based, non-GMO ingredients. Free from stimulants, harsh chemicals, and artificial additives. Want the best bang for your buck? Stick with it. Experts recommend using Mitolyn consistently for at least 3 to 6 months to allow your body to fully benefit. And here's the best part, there's a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it completely risk-free. Heads up! Mitolyn is not sold on Amazon or in retail stores. This is to ensure product authenticity and quality. You can only get the real deal from their official website. I've added the official link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. If you've been stuck in a cycle of low energy, stubborn fat, and frustration, Mitolyn might just be the breakthrough you need. Imagine waking up with more energy, feeling lighter, and finally seeing the results you've been chasing. This could be your moment to take charge of your health and feel amazing again. Click the link in the description to learn more and place your order securely. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay motivated.